Okay, you've set up VS Code, you have tons of extensions. What's the best way of managing them? Profiles in VS Code. It's the hidden, most awesome feature of the entire world. Inside of VS Code, on the bottom left, you can create a new profile for your development setup. What does this mean? Well, it means that you can identify the extensions and the settings for different types of development. So for example, you can have a .NET MAUI profile, a C# profile, a Blazor profile, a Python profile, a JavaScript profile, anything that you want. You can specify what extensions are set up for that profile and what settings are there. You can easily toggle between them. That means your VS Code will boot up super fast with the specific extensions for you. How I use them is I have two .NET MAUI profiles, one for the stable release of the C# Dev Kit and .NET MAUI extension, and one for the pre-release. So this means I can try out the latest features and toggle back and forth in seconds. So check out VS Code profiles today.